HP launched a lineup of new products today talking about blended reality. Today we have with us Mr. Sunish Raghavan from HP, who would be talking about two of its products.
Yeah, thank you so much. Today you saw a plethora of products from our side. I'm going to start with the 1020 and I'll introduce you to the product and then I'll move to the jackets that you wanted to kind of look at, the medical jacket that we actually have. So today we launched a series of mobility products from HP. You saw a lot of products today, right? So I'm going to talk about this one product, which is currently the world's thinnest and lightest enterprise class or business class notebook that you can see from HP. It's 15.7 mm in thickness and about 1 kg, just about 1 kg in weight. You can see the form factor. It is brilliant. It is brilliantly designed. It is all aluminum, single unibody chassis. No compromise on ruggedity. Aluminum actually renders the ruggedity that you need for a device like this, and no compromise on security features and any other feature that a business class notebook wants to have. Right. The beauty of this product is the weight. The weight that I mentioned, it's just 1 kg, right? Just under 1 kg, and it can go to any kind of a configuration that you can look at. You can go to a higher SSD configuration, 512 GB. It can go to a Core M processors, i5, i7, whatever, and stuff like that. It comes with something very unique from HP on the touchpad. It's called the force pad. It works on the finger's force, the amount of force that you apply. So if some document you need to scroll faster, you actually going to press the touchpad, harder. So when you press it harder, it actually starts scrolling faster. So it's a matter of getting used to a device like this. The other thing is it actually comes with a host of docking options as well. So you can dock it in office. So when you're in office, you don't need to actually use the laptop in a laptop form factor. You can actually dock it. It comes with a complete docking solutions from HP. So you can connect your monitor, keyboard, and stuff like that. And while you travel, as I said, it's extremely light and fully functional from a feature perspective. It starts at a price of 95,000 rupees. That's the starting price, obviously. So you can, as you build the configuration, the prices will vary. And as I said, it's available in the market today. We are actually, working with a lot of organizations to, go and talk to them about this unique product from HP, at this point in time. So this is another device that we launched today. It's an Elite Pad tablet. However, the unique element here is the jacket that actually renders the use case in an hospital environment. This jacket is ruggedized. This jacket has all the security features that you need to have, because patient information in a hospital is very, very critical, and it is not, it's not good if something is compromised on that, right? So if a doctor walks in with this, first of all, he needs to insert a smart card here so that he authenticates himself to be a doctor. If he is not authenticated, no information about the patient can be displayed on the device, when he starts looking for information on the patient. The other thing is there's a scanner here, so if you walk up to a patient or a bed, there is a unique notification or identification for the patient. You scan that particular label, and then you get access to information on the patient, right? So the patient information in terms of what prescription has been given, what is the diagnosis, and how long he has been here or she has been here, and stuff like that, all available. It actually comes with an antimicrobial coating, because it is to be used in hospital environment. It has to be really hygienic, right? So that's the reason why it comes with an antimicrobial coating as well. So all in all, it actually renders a specific use case in a hospital. It integrates to your hospital management system. It actually gives you patient information. It authenticates the doctor before he starts even looking at the diagnosis or the information on the patient. So this is industry specific solution that we have introduced today, apart from the other devices that you already saw from our side. So the price it starts at about 85,000 rupees. This complete kit along with the tablet and the jacket.
For latest news and reviews of gadgets and games, visit www.techmagnifier.com.